Welcome back to the class, and today is the second day for our training. Yesterday I taught you how to make a chain, and today you will be learning how to make a single crochet. And for this particular video, I will be using this hook with a 3 strand of yarn. If I use a strand, it will be very tiny and it will be very difficult for you to see it. So I have to use 3 strands so that you guys could see it from the camera very well. So you can use 2 strand or 1 strand, depend on how you can handle it for now. So the first thing, like I said yesterday, that whenever you want to make a project, the first thing you have to do is to make your chain. Just like I taught you yesterday, just make your chain. So guys, let me show you how a single crochet look like. Can you see this is a single crochet? I use a single crochet to make this. And for our hook, I will be using 5. You can use 5.0 or 3.0. Because that smaller one I used yesterday cannot handle this 3 strand. The more strand you combine, the bigger hook you use. That's just it. So I'll just go ahead and make my chain right now. And when you are crocheting, you have to trust the step. Just trust the step. And right there, I will make 20 chains. I will make 20 chains. And I believe most of you or all of you must have watched the last lesson. If you haven't do that, please go back and do that. How to make a chain. And right there is my chain. So I make 20 chains here. I make 20 chains, and that's what we will be working with now. So here is the chain. I will just bring in my knitting pin to put inside of the chain so that you guys could see it very well. Can you see it? This is our first chain right here. This is the first chain. I will just use my knitting pin to pull it out so that when you guys are crocheting it, it will be very easy for you. Can you see it? Just pull it out a little bit. Pull it out a little bit. And I will do this to all the chains. We make 20 chains. That's you will just be pulling it by the side. And you see it. This I will do the same thing to the next chain here. To the next chain, I will do the same thing to everything. Then you will start your project. I'm only doing this because of the beginners that are in the class. If you are not a beginner, this is not necessary. You can just start your project like that without doing this. But for the sake of beginners in the house, that's why I'm doing this. And this place that I'm pulling out here is where you guys will be inserting your hook when we start this project. That's exactly where you will be inserting your hook. Don't be confused, guys. I'm only doing this for you guys to understand. Just pull it out a little bit so that when you want to insert your hook, it will be very easy for you. So guys, I'm done with that. Let's start the project now. So let me just count the hole we have here. This 2, 3, this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8, 17 here, 18, 19, 20. So as you can see that we have 20 chains here. We have 20 chains here. So guys, let's start now. So I'm just trying to pull it out a little bit so that you guys could even see what I'm doing. I'm doing this for you guys to understand it very well. So get your hook, insert it inside that hole. Just to like as if you want to continue making your chain, but this time around you will not continue making the chain. So guys, this first chain here, this first chain, let me show you guys. Let me show you. Can you see it? This fourth chain here inside this hole, you will not, you will skip that hole, you will skip it, and you will start from the next chain, from the next chain. I hope you guys can even see what I'm showing you. This first chain, you will skip it, then you will start from this second chain. You will start from this second chain. So insert it like this. Can you see it? So yeah, insert it inside that hole. Can you see it? And yarn over, then you pull out a loop, then you yarn over again and pull through the two loops. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Let me lose it again so that you guys can understand. So now insert the hook like you want to continue making your chain, but you want. So insert it into the second chain, then yarn over and pull out a loop, then yarn over again and pull through the two loops. Can you see it? It's very simple, very simple. Then so the third one,